Okay guys, today we're going to work on solving linear inequalities. So to do that, we're going to basically do a lot of what we did yesterday. So we're going to solve some regular linear inequalities and then we're going to kind of put them together. So this first one that you see is in slope-intercept form. So my intercept is 4 and my slope is -2/3. So since my intercept is 4, that gives me the point 0, 4. And I have a change in y of down 2 and a change in x of up 3. So that's going to give me the point 3, 2. Now what I can do is on that, I can plot those points on my graph. So I have 0, 4 right there, and I have 3, 2, okay, which is right here. Right, and I'm going to go ahead and plot this line. Now since it was this less than or equal to right here, I'm going to want a solid line. So I'm going to go ahead and pick one from there since it'll be easier for me to draw it straight. And I'm going to draw it in. And then I'm going to want to shade below the line. Okay? So I'm going to pick my highlighter and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to shade below it. Right? So that's my first guy. All right, my second one, okay, which is this one, has a y-intercept at -1 and a slope of 1/1. So I've got a point at 0, -1, okay, and I'm going to do a change in y of +1 and a change in x of +1. So those are both the same. I'm going to make this one a little bit clearer here, right here, because it's kind of messy. So this is going to be a -1. So -1 plus 1 is 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1. So I'm going to plot these 2 points. So 0, -1, and 1, 0. Now this time I've got just a greater than, so I need a dash line. So I'm going to use a dash line to do this one. And I'm going to draw it up and over. There's my dash line. And it's greater than, so I'm going to want to shade above it. So I'm going to use green this time and I'm going to shade above. Okay. So it looks like that. Now that's pretty much what we were doing yesterday. We were graphing them on separate lines. The only difference today is we're going to put them together. So I'm going to take these two lines that I graphed separately and put them on the same graph. So this one had his point at 0, 4 and at 3, 2. And he was a nice solid line. So I'm going to put him here. Right? And the other guy had a point at 0, -1 and 1, 1. And he was a dotted line. Now here's the part that's different. Okay? This guy right here, we shaded below him before. Okay? So we shaded right down here. Okay? All below him. The guy that's dotted, we shaded above him. So we shaded up in here. Now what we're going to do today, that's the different part, is we're actually going to shade where these two overlap. So that's in this little area right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this. Okay. And we're going to shade in that little part where they overlapped, which is right in here. Okay. And that's our answer to our inequality. Okay. So all our graphs should look just like that. Okay. So now that's our first one. Okay. All right. Look at the second